Breaking news. On 12 June 2025, tragedy struck the skies of India when Air India Flight 171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, crashed just seconds after takeoff from Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. The aircraft, which was en route to London Heathrow, went down at exactly 1:38 p.m. local time, crashing into the hostel block of BJ Medical College, a densely populated educational campus. On board the aircraft were 242 people, including 230 passengers and 12 crew members. Tragically, 241 people on board lost their lives, making this one of India's deadliest aviation disasters in recent history. At least 28 people on the ground, including medical students and hostel residents, were also killed, bringing the total death toll to over 269. Miraculously, there was only one survivor, 40-year-old Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, a businessman seated in 11A who managed to escape the burning wreckage through a broken emergency exit. He is currently hospitalized and receiving treatment for severe injuries. The rest of the passengers, including students, medical professionals, and several foreign nationals from the UK, Canada, and Portugal, perished in the crash. Among the deceased was former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, who was flying to London for a private event, and a newlywed woman who had just married 2 days earlier and was travelling to join her husband. The tragedy has sent shockwaves across the nation, with scenes of mourning and chaos unfolding at both the crash site and the Ahmedabad airport. Eyewitnesses described a horrifying moment. The aircraft struggled to gain altitude, made a sharp veer, and then nosedived into the building, followed by a massive explosion and fireball. In the aftermath, rescue teams, firefighters, and the National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, worked through smoldering debris to recover bodies and assist survivors on the ground. Both the cockpit voice recorder, CVR, and flight data recorder, FDR, the aircraft's black boxes, were recovered within hours. Investigators from the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, AAIB, of India, in collaboration with Boeing, GE Aerospace, the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, have been dispatched to probe the crash. Initial speculation points to a possible engine failure, flap system malfunction, or landing gear issue, though authorities stress that the exact cause will be confirmed only after data analysis. This crash is now marked as the first fatal accident involving a Boeing 787 Dreamliner anywhere in the world and has deeply shaken public confidence in Air India and its fleet. In response, the Tata Group, which owns Air India, has pledged 1 crore rupees in compensation to the families of each victim and has committed to covering all hospital and funeral expenses. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the crash site and the hospital, calling it a dark day for the nation, and offered full state support to the victims' families. Adding to the somber note, rescue workers found a copy of the Bhagavad Gita, untouched amid the rubble, a small but profound symbol of faith and resilience in the face of overwhelming tragedy. Calls are growing louder to ground all Boeing 787-8 aircraft in India until the results of the investigation are made public. As the nation mourns and investigations continue, this disaster stands as a painful reminder of how fragile life is and how important safety, regulation, and accountability remain in our skies. Click the subscribe button and share this video with your friends for more updates. Make sure to follow and stay connected for more important information.